Alright. Just gonna do some level design. I think we're gonna fix up the laser a bit, like add some sounds, and maybe if we could find some art, some cool art to add to it, that'd be nice too. So let me just open up itch. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. I do have to buy it though. It's $2. Just gonna look at open game art. Bullet silhouettes. Yeah, none of these are that cool. Slime and lasers. Might just buy it. Unless we can find another asset that's similar, but I kind of doubt it. Ooh, this is so cool. What should we do here? Hey, how's it going, Scripting Skull? Thank you. I'll see you, man. Don't know. Hey, Adam, how's it going, man? Welcome, welcome. Only issue is that this actually doesn't match how we have the lasers in our game currently working. Although, I mean, maybe it could work. We could still introduce this as our animation. Pop, pop, pop. All right, let's see. Let's go into our main laser beam main. And in our animation player, we're just going to be updating the laser line texture here. It's gonna be, let's see. First, let me just expand this a bit. Oh, no, not this way. What the? Oh, okay. So we update it. Forgot we update it in the script. So we'll just leave it like this for now, just so we can see it. It also, yeah, it's usually wider than this too. I think 3 pixels. So it's gonna. If I want any graphical help, send. Yeah, I appreciate it. I'll probably be fine though, but I do appreciate the offer. All right, let's see here. So we have all of these. Oh, and there's one other issue. For our texture, we actually have to rotate all of them 90 degrees. I'm pretty sure. So like if I were to throw this in here, what is it called? Laser S. Why isn't it? Oh, yeah, laser S. It's like, let's say we just throw this in here. Yeah, it's gonna be transparent for the entire texture, and that's because, yeah, we have to rotate them all. It's gonna be kind of annoying, actually, to rotate all of them. Let's see, 2, where's 1? Oh, I guess 1 is the background. And I also kind of doubt we're going to be using all of these textures. Okay. I wonder if there's like a rotate image. Oh, transform. Rotate counterclockwise. There we go. Image. I keep forgetting where it is. Image, transform, clockwise. Image, transform. Yeah, Undertale music. I think, who recommended it? Juho Sprite recommended it yesterday. And yeah, since then we've been listening to it consistently. How's it going, Shiki? Welcome, welcome. Metroidvania. So, I don't think Undertale is considered a Metroidvania. If that's what you meant. Oh wait, you said something else. Try Bone Trestle, it's one of the best Undertale music. Oh, and also, okay, you were saying try those songs, I think. Okay. So this is, oh yeah, this is Undertale. You said Metroidvania? Yo, Megalovania? So for our first texture, we're gonna have to add these each as. I'm not sure what we'll do just yet. I'm just gonna throw this in. Wait a second. Clear. Throw this one in. Why isn't it not showing? It's not showing anything. Wait. It seemed like it didn't. Like in the browser, it saved, but then. Oh. You know, it looks weird though. It's these are not centered correctly. Oh, but maybe that's what makes it like, you know, cool. Is that it like they transfer over? So it's like first this one, then it's this one, then this, then this, then it grows. So it's not bad, but we do need like some sort of transition in between where like once it hits this. Maybe it goes back to this, and then it goes back to this. We'll see. We'll see how. Let me see. There are some other textures in this sprite pack. There's like ending, active. There's also all states. Are you in good hands? All right. We might have to restart. Oh no, I think it's good now. Or so it seems. It's just that our texture here is wrong. Or so it seems. I don't know why nothing is popping up. Here, wait. Let's run it in our main scene. Should be blue. What the hell? You know what I think we need to do? We need to make these textures slightly smaller, or we just make it the max size of this. So this is 64 pixels. We'd have to make them all 64. So we could try that. So yeah, if we made it 64, if we made the width 64, we still don't see anything though. I wonder what's going on. Try this one. Here, if we clear this, yeah, then we get this giant rectangle, and then we throw this in here, and then nothing happens. Let me see, 1,000. Something. Something is very wrong here. Let's try this texture. Will it work with this one? Oh, there we go. It was because it wasn't on stretch. God damn. Tile. None. Okay, so if you put it on none, that's what was messing us up. Okay. So let's go back. And if I think we put this one, it's gonna... Yeah. But I wonder... if there's a way to change that? No. Okay. Alright, so this is... let's do 64 again. And instead of changing, like, the width might always be consistently the same. We do this. Oh, stretch. I think it's fine if we stretch it, as long as we don't have this base here. Or maybe it's fine with the base. We would want to, yeah, I think we would want to remove that. Because the bigger it is, I mean, well, let's just try it. Let's go back into our animation player. On width, we will set this. I think we could just delete this entire section here. So it would look like this. I mean, this would be the same up until the very end, unless we started changing the texture now. So let's do this. This will be on our first one, actually. Laser 1 will be our first. Why is it? Oh, here we go. This is 1. Can you use glow from Runjin's video? So glow doesn't work too well with my game, or from my experience, glow has not been too good. It's probably better to use some sort of shader or something, or like implement some sort of shader. I can try it, but yeah, from what I've tried, because we're also, I don't know if it's because I'm using a bunch of light nodes in my game. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what it is. Maybe there's just something I'm doing wrong. But glow does not look good. What part of the game am I working on now? Like weapons. So these are not really weapons. This is more so like traps, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. We're just updating. I'm trying to make it look good. All right. So from here, then it disappears. I wonder, maybe we can do like 4. Start it out with 4 or 3. Let me see, 3. No. All right. We'll start it out with 4. Then we'll go, once it disappears, it'll turn to 1. Or maybe we might want to do 1 and, oh, oops. 1. And then here we'll do 2. All right, 1 and 2. And then disappear, and then at this point it'll be 8. We'll try 8. And it's red right now, but we might update. Wait, oh, we never actually added the texture here. All right, so then two dings. Maybe I push this a little closer here. 2 dings, and then. Oh my god, we keep forgetting to save it. And bam. But we might actually want to save this as a different texture. We might have an animation that actually plays here instead. And in the meantime, let me change this color to white. Okay. What the hell? That's not what I wanted to happen. We must be messing with the width. Let's see. With the 64 pixels, it should look like this. But on reset, maybe that's what's making it 60. Here, let's just do this. On a reset, it's probably set to 1. That's why I was doing that. I hope. Okay, there we go. I think we will change these colors, though. And wait. There's one other thing that we could do, and that's change this. I need to reduce the time here. Set the start timer to like 0.1 seconds. There we go. I think that looks pretty clean. Different cases might make it look different though, we'll see. But I think because it's... Oh. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. The base is weird, but we'll fix that. Okay. Yeah, let's get rid of it now. But we also have some other textures. We can add an animation for all of this. And we have to add sounds too. Laser. Laser all. Why do they have the laser active, laser all states, and then laser? Oh, laser starting. Why don't they have? Oh, they do. Laser active. Okay. You have to rotate all of these images. My Brazil, no speak English. I don't speak Portuguese, unfortunately. Oh, okay, so there's one other issue with this one, and that's, I think we could tile textures, so it won't look too bad. So yeah, I don't understand Portuguese, but if you use a Google Translate, I'm trying to make a game. How do you speak English? How do you speak English? programming easier for people that speak English? Yeah, I would say so. Yes. Sim. I wish there was a hotkey for this. Is there? Can we like set hotkeys? Whatever. I'm not gonna waste my time. Image, transform, clockwise, image. Okay, another thing that we need to do, it might look weird on this top part, so we might have to update it. But for now, here, wait, let me see. If we do, not central, horizontal symmetry. Oh, wait a second, we gotta... Oh, we could just cut this, paste it, and then... So yeah, it might look weird. We'll find out. Something like that. Maybe get rid of this. Yeah, they have to be consistent here. Wait, let me go back to the original. Yeah. Honestly, this might not look too bad. Hey man, can you use a Google Translator if you want to talk to me? Damn, there's so many animations to this, I doubt we're even going to use most of it. Actually, I mean, I guess the more the better. But it looks the same for the most part. I think this is the last one. Hey, how's it going, Juho? Are you working on the laser enemy? Yeah. So I'm working on the laser beam. Oh, we already have the laser beam working from yesterday. It's just, it doesn't look too clean just yet. That's what it looks like. Anytime, any second. But yeah, it's still, you know, still work in progress. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new animation texture on here. I guess right here we can do new. I've never actually used an animation texture. Don't know how it works. But I assume we can just select how many frames we have, which is 7. And for each of these textures, we just throw one in. So this is A, B, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there a FPS? Okay, yeah, FPS. I think we're gonna change this to like 12 maybe. Okay, so boom, boom. Wait, no! Oh man, dude, I messed up. Whenever you change this, make sure you just add it as a key so it saves. Okay, there we go. And hopefully, wait, actually, I hope this saves. Let me see. Oh, let's just go into. I think we have an effects. Just in case, I'm gonna open that up. Alright. Hopefully we don't make this mistake again. Yeah, I wonder if it's going to save. Because we're doing this in an actual. Yeah, let's just do this. I'm gonna save. See if this is kept on 8. Okay, we're good. Okay, we saved it. I hope. There we go. FPS will change to 12 again. Save it again. The music I just joined into was sick. Agreed. I think all of the music that's been playing is sick. Oh, look at that. Oh, another thing we want to do for our texture, and right now it's stretching. In our animation player, for this right here, we're going to set it to stretch. But then once we hit this texture, we're going to make it tiled. Wonder why. We have it set to tiled, but this part right here is stretching. And stretch. Wait. What the hell? tile seems to be the one that's stretching, and then this one seems to be the one that's right. I'm gonna save it as tiled, just to see. Maybe it's just weird in the editor. Cause it's... If we set this to tile... Yeah, I don't know, bro. Let's just run it. Hey, how's it going, CSLR? Yeah, it looks like it's stretching to me. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but the thing is, the closer you get, it's probably going to change. So let me see. Oops. Trying to figure out what to play. Is Kerbal Space Program not an option? I need a controller. I think we're dead. Dude, I'm dog at my own game. I was playing it before, so no. There we go. Yeah, so it seems like it's fine right there, and then... why does it stretch? Here, we'll make it... We'll make it stretch. It's so weird that it stretches here, but then over here it's tiled. But it's the same exact setting. Very strange. Oh! I think I figured it out. I think... Here, we actually... If we set it to tiled, it might look good. Let me see. No. Wait. Let's try it out, see what happens. Been looking at getting a new graphics card. What graphics card do you currently have? There we go. I think it's good now. And if it's not... Alright. Come on. Okay, good. Come on, come on. Oh, we're gonna die here. Ourselves closer. I just need to see what it looks like. $16.50. $16.50. Isn't that? I mean, it's not cutting edge, but that's not bad. Pretty sure. You can't play Kerbal Space Program? Is it easy again to buy PC parts now, or better at least? It is better. Because, I mean, people were mining Ethereum for the longest time, and now it's not nearly as popular. Or, I mean, Ethereum was the most profitable, and now it's not. Oh, yes. It looks good. It looks good now. The starting texture, though, is bad. Oh, wait a second. wonder. My friend recommended me to get the 6600 XT. Usually when you're getting like a new, like if you're gonna upgrade your graphics card, you might as well just upgrade everything. Usually. I don't know how like the generations work with like motherboards and CPUs and all that jazz. Alright, I think this is fine. I'm wondering what would happen, like maybe I can add another texture on top of the laser. Just to make our life easier. Maybe like a charge up for the eyeball, like the eyeball turns red, like the entire thing turns red. Did he say GTX 1660? He said 1650. And he wants to get a 6600 XT. RAM and GPU. I see. Send some links for that? For what? I need to learn Brazilian programming? What are you talking about, man? You want to join? Brazilian programming is not... I don't think there's a thing as Brazilian programming. There's Brazilian programmers. There are Brazilian programmers. And there are Brazilian communities. I'm pretty sure. I've never heard of Brazilian programming. I mean, I was rocking a 1070 for the longest time, and I was able to do most things: video editing. I was even able to play. I was able to play Call of Duty, like the newest Call of Duty, but I wasn't able to play the newest Call of Duty Warzone because obviously their worlds are a lot bigger. So like my FPS would drop like crazy, and like the bigger parts of the map, like I could never go into the city, or I could never go into like the airport. My game would literally crash in the airport. But the games that I usually play are very like they're not usually graphic intensive, like Valorant or something. With all his work stolen. Oh my goodness. How do you have your PC setup stolen though? Like, that means they went into their home? Or the guy had a laptop? Oh, CSLR's on YouTube now. Welcome CSLR. I'm on both. Oh, he lives in Cuba, I see. Yeah, I feel like... Well, I mean, when it comes to the work, I think he could have backed everything up. Not that I'm blaming him, but... Like, I'd rather... Personally, I'd rather get my laptop or, like, my computer stolen than have my work, like, get... Well, it's not really getting stolen, right? It's more so it's just getting removed. Like, the person who stole the laptop or computer probably doesn't really care about the game dev work. But yeah, I'm not blaming him. It sucks. I would hate to get my laptop, or I keep saying laptop, my setup stolen. But I'm also used to, like, I like playing, I don't know why, but I like potatoes. Like, I like having a potato something, you know? Like an old computer that you're, like, just running random crap on. Or an old laptop. Like, when I went to Colorado, I had my crappy old laptop, and it, you know, it felt nice to be, I don't know, to, like, use something old. Okay, we have to change these colors. Do that right now. Maybe, I wonder if I should, like, make a shader for this, so that we can update the text, because we plan on adding different laser types to our game. Me personally, I have 2 external HDDs with my whole PC data backed up. I don't really have anything backed up. I do have, like, videos that I would like to keep for an extended period of time. Like, I don't know. Like, I have a bunch of videos on my computer. But at the same time, like, if my computer got stolen or like, I don't know, those files got ruined somehow, I don't think I'd care. It's sort of like one of those things that, like, you'd like to have, but at the end of the day, you don't really care. Like, I have so many photos on my phone. But if somehow they all disappeared, I don't think I'd be upset. Or I would be upset, but it wouldn't affect my life too much. You'll see vital patches in songs. That makes sense. Yeah, pictures. I used to back everything. I used to have multiple, like, Google Drive accounts with, like, you know, the 15 free gigs that you get just for photos. I remember doing that. Yeah, lately I don't really care. It was, like, I remember I would save so many memes from, like, Reddit. And, I remember I used to use iFunny a lot. Good times, good times. Alright, let me think. What can I do to save these textures here? Let me grab our cave set really quick. Where is it? cave tunnel? It's very hard to see. Okay. I don't know. We might keep this red here. And I wonder if I should back this up too. I'm not gonna back it up. Actually, let's just GitHub back it up. I wonder if we have enough colors for this. It might just not look good. We'll see. Is this red? The same red? Okay. My Git repo's public? Not for this game. I also don't post too many things on Git. I would like to. Like, I do have a bunch of projects that I would like to release. It's just, you know, it's all ugly. I don't feel comfortable releasing it. But if someone ever has a request, and you're actually, like, you know, serious about it, I'll send it over. Hey, how's it going, CodeRad? How you doing, man? This is gonna get really repetitive really fast. I'm trying to think of a better way to do this. You know, what we could do though is just test out this color, see if it looks good, with just these two animations, and then if it looks good, we'll do the rest. Okay. This one and this one. Why didn't it save? It seemed like it did save, but it doesn't show, or it doesn't update here. So I wondered, if we change this to 2, and then we change it back to 8, it's probably gonna screw us over. Oh, no. Pretty cool. It went back to the original. Okay. It's nearly midnight. What are you doing up so late? Oh, that looks pretty cool. I like it. Obviously, We have to update these textures too. And we have to update all of them. Oh my god, it's gonna take so much work. So much time. I'll see you, CSLR. Peace. I'm trying to think what's the fast. Oh, you know what we could do? I think the texture, is it the same? No, it's not the same, damn. I know there's a way to like set up color palettes and like replace everything by the color palette, but I think sometimes it doesn't select the right color. So I'm gonna try to speedrun this. Just every white color, go here. Every white color here. Go, go, go. Come on. Next color. Can you change the hue and hope for the best? So maybe, but this is a color palette that's already in the game, so I think it's best if like we stay consistent with the color palette. Let's change the size of this so that we could just one tap it. I think the red on this one is a little too red. Yeah, I think, you know what I think would look really good actually? White on the ends there, maybe. I don't know. Like along with like these colors, maybe. No, that looks like crap. Some variation of white. I'm not gonna mess with it just yet. Let's just get this working. I know it looked good with just this red part. Why do I have a hat? I feel like wearing a hat today. Okay, we also have to update these. I don't think we have to do all of them, just most definitely this one. This one. I think we use. Let's see. Yeah, let's just update these first. Oh, crap. CSLR. I didn't see that you posted the push-ups until failure. Are you still here, man? I need like notifications for me to see the push-ups until failure, but I will do it right now. So yeah, I've been doing so many push-ups, or not push-ups, but like chest workouts recently that our number is going to be relatively low. Okay. I won't be able to hear you guys while I do it. I mean, I won't be able to read the text, obviously. I don't hear you guys. Yeah, I think it was 36. I think it would have been more if we had like a rest day, but yeah, we did it until failure. I mean, yeah. You know, I actually prefer the... Oh my god, I'm out of breath. What's it called? Not inclined, decline push, like decline bench press or incline push-ups. They are easier, but you could do more of them, and then I feel like you feel the burn more. That's just my personal opinion. Obviously, you know, incline bench press or regular push-ups or decline push-ups are more macho though. So if you want to show off, you gotta do those. Oh, we also have this texture here. Here, let's update this one too. Did I turn my mic off? You know, technically we aren't doing it until failure. Like, I definitely could push through more of it. I just don't want you guys to see me struggling. So maybe I am wussing out. Or maybe failure in your eyes is or you perceive failure as something different than I do. Maybe failure is me giving up. Maybe I don't listen to enough, what's his name? David Goggins. Did I select the wrong one? Let's see. Okay. These are all good. Until his legs start cracking, yeah. Timmy shop? Maybe. What did you hear? Small shock? Is that what you heard? Alright, what was it? Tem shop? Okay. I think we're good. I might want to change this to like a white, actually, because this is going to be one of like our indicator textures, or indicator ones. Oh, that looks terrible. Let's just see what this looks like. Maybe white. Yeah, it's been pretty motivating actually. Just to listen to it. I'm really enjoying. Oh, this is our starting texture. Okay, and then we switch to these white. This one's a pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Here, let's go back. Leave it at that. Or maybe, let's just try it out. You know, it's weird. It's only showing one texture for the yeah, you truly are a life changer. It was a good suggestion. Yeah, I have played Undertale. I haven't played, what's it called? Deltarune? But yeah, Undertale was great. What did we want to do? Oh yeah, let's look at the texture here. I thought it does change actually, but it's not noticeable. Maybe what we could do is push these like a couple of tiles up, a couple of pixels up, 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, there we go. It is noticeable, but it's kind of crap. You use Jevil music? What is that? Play Jevil's theme. This? The world revolving? Jevil's theme song? This one? Yes. That's too loud. Alright, I don't like the way the indicator looks at the moment. Maybe I'll use this. Spammed him Neo. Alright, which one? I think, wait. I think I need to make... No, not this. Okay, wait, give me 1 second. Dude, wait, maybe I need to make another texture. This is 4, let me export this as... Alright. Oh wait, it goes up to 8. Let's do 9. Terraria Calamity music. It's the best OSTs. Period. Okay, I don't mind playing music, but I don't know if I can play it. Like, can I play Terraria music on stream? I'm paranoid. Okay. If it's video game music, it's fine. Okay. Let's do it then. Wait, but Sinister made some requests. Spam to Neo. Big shot. With the Mario Castle theme song. Just, yeah, don't play anything that's owned by Nintendo, and you'll be safe. Right? Also, welcome, Grumble. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Wait, oh wait, we wanted to... The final texture here, I think, should be... white. It still looks weird to me. Alright, yeah, I think we can leave it like that. And I also think maybe currently what we're doing is we have our laser focused in on the player, and then the laser uses like a raycast to hit like the next collision point. So like it hits right here, but I'm thinking maybe we should just have it go across the entire screen. Like maybe just extend the line by like, I don't know, like 200 pixels or 500 pixels, whatever. It doesn't really matter how big it is. As long as it covers the entire screen, which is, the maximum is going to be whatever this value is here. Or I mean, a little bit less than that, but like, whatever the hypotenuse of 320 by 1080 is. I mean, 320 by 180. Let's look at the laser beam real quick. Gotta head out. I'll see you, man. Peace. Thanks for stopping by. It's getting chilly. We're running out of tea too. Ask our Steams. I didn't even do anything. About fan games, ROMs, and music being unofficially used, but I don't get why they don't put their music on Spotify. Yeah, I don't know. I think the thing with Nintendo is that they try to be like, Nintendo has never made like, cutting edge video games. It's usually like this kind of like simple stuff, like, simple graphics, the Switch is like simple hardware, stuff like that. And they're more focused on like, I don't know, like the theme or like the aesthetic of their games, and they want to, hold on dearly to that. If I had to guess, I don't really know why Nintendo is the way they are. But Nintendo is like, I don't know, like the epitome of like, the typical game dev, or the typical game dev who like has a game idea and doesn't want anyone to steal their idea. They've also been in the industry for the longest amount of time. Yeah, exactly. But it's just Nintendo that's like that. Like, other Japanese companies, I don't think are nearly as bad. Their games will never be absolute dog poo. Yeah, they do care about their games a lot. That's true. So yeah, I guess they have a reputation to hold up to. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, let's make the minimum distance like what's hypotenuse. What's our minimum distance? 320 by 180. 367, 368. Set damage position times 32. Direction 2 times 132. Oh, 32. Times 400. I'm trying to think, how do we do this? I mean, I could just make this value larger. Oh, wait a second. But sometimes we might not even collide with anything. And that could be a problem. So yeah, just setting a minimum value would be great. Target position would be like minimum, the direction 2 times, instead of saying, here, let's do this. Set damage position. Target position is going to equal target global position dot direction 2 target position times, what was it? Well, let's just do times 400. I think that's good enough. And we wouldn't have to worry about this anymore, I don't think. Let me see. Wait a second. We messed up somewhere here. Is it plus target position? I can't math today. We're just gonna try everything until we get it. There we go. Cool. I wonder if we should set the line, like the line's target position, to go past the player too. That would just be this times. We could probably make it just times 200 or something, since we're always centered on the screen. No, let's do 400. Handle every case scenario. Alright, one more time. Yeah, I think that looks better. The hitbox, I wonder. Let me see. I won't worry about the hitbox too much. Maybe make it like 1 pixel wider. Alright, one other thing that looks weird is the eyeball. Oh, and we need sounds. I don't have any sounds for this. Let me see. So this is my typical go-to for sounds, but I don't think there's going to be a laser sound here. Let me see. Catapult. Count score. Nope. Droplet, door, lower, powerful dash? This might work for something, maybe. Like, along with the visual cue, we can have like a sound cue to say like, hey, this is where it's going to attack from. Or this is the spot. Which is whoosh. You told me about a free game audio website. What was that again? I probably recommended opengameart.org. It's not really for game audio, but like technically it's not for game audio, but you can use it for game audio. Freesounds.org. Freesound.org is pretty good. There's like a lot of crappy sounds that you have to like sift through, but there are a lot of sounds, and if you could find one and you can edit one, I don't know, it's like make it applicable for your game, then yeah. There's another one too. So there's also OpenGameArt, which has a decent amount of sound effects. Not to the same extent as FreeSound, but like these are specifically for game sounds. There's also let me see. If you want to make your own like 8-bit sounds, there's also forgot there's this website that lets you make your own 8-bit sounds. And like, it's unlimited. This is our Discord, by the way, solo development, if you guys are interested. Where is it? Assets, UI, sound. I thought I had a sound thing here. Oh, BFXR, 8-bit sound effects generator. It's pretty cool. It's only for Windows and Mac, but it's awesome. Yeah, that's the one. There's also SFXR. But I think it's the same thing. I forgot which one is better. Free sound. Bosca if you want to make music. Lab chirp to be better. Haven't heard of lab chirp.
If you want to make some with this, you will see that I'm not going to this. Let's a little bit. Let's add different sounds, sets, and everything, just like a normal.
Yeah. Personally, I think, like, if you're making a bunch of games, or you do game jams and stuff like that, where you want high quality sounds, I guess it depends if you want to use 16-bit sound. Like, there are a lot of free 16-bit and 8-bit sounds out there. But yeah, for higher quality stuff, you probably either want to browse through free sound or just buy sounds. Wow, that was so loud. I don't know if I should. Let me see if I can. I hope you guys hear this less. Or maybe we just won't. How loud was that? Yeah, we need like a whoosh sound, but I have a feeling we're not going to find any. Still have that retro feel. Yeah, I'm a big fan. I used to like 16-bit sounds too, but now I'm just a huge fan of just like, yeah, those higher quality sounds. It just sounds pleasant to the ear. Like I currently love some of the sound effects in our game. Let me see if I could find some. Some of them I'm not a fan of. Like I'm not really a fan of the spring sounds, but. Here. Where's our player? Over here. I really like the dash. Like the sound that you get from hitting this, or the sound you get from going through the portals, are just my favorite. And I want to find more sounds like that. Oops. So this is actually a combination of multiple sounds, but yeah. I love it. It's so whooshy quick, yeah. And most of the time, like, you won't get those sounds from free SFX. You usually won't get that. Usually it's like retro sounds. That's why, yeah, either you pay for them or you browse freesound.org. Did I write code to make them have random pitches? Not random, but yeah, it does change the pitch. So like when you enter a DAT or you enter a portal, it's like I think it's a deeper one. I don't remember already. And when you exit, it's higher pitch. Yeah, it might not be too noticeable. I do randomize the dialogue pitch, but it is bugged because when you lower pitch, the sound is slower. And from what I've experienced, it's a little buggy where like the timing on it doesn't register properly. From what I've seen, or from what I've experienced, it doesn't work properly. So I have to figure out what's going on there. Yeah, to make it different pitches, yeah. So if you go into like sounds, yeah. You can change the pitch scale. There are a bunch of other things I think you could do. Sounds. Let me see. Audio stream. Oh, is this new? Audio. How come I've never seen this before? Oh, it's not a. Oh, never mind. Whatever. Oh yeah, pitch scale. No, I guess that's it. Okay. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we were looking for laser beam sounds. Let me keep looking at. None of these work. Menu? Pickups, power-ups, and power-downs. It has to be one of these. None of these work either. Whoa. Voice files. I wonder, are these like...
Hi.
I don't know. I need like procedural sounds for voices. Maybe. Let's explore it. Suck, maybe? Semcraft Indie. I'm working so hard. Me, I think we could definitely work harder, but we are consistent. I think we're consistent with our work, which I think is good. Futuristic. Name strategy game sounds. That's my work. Looking forward to play this game. Thank you. Appreciate it. You can play it already. It's free to play. Although, yeah, this version is a little older since we're still working on the game, but yeah, it's right there. Okay, these are pretty good, actually. I wonder what his high-quality sounds are. Well, this website is horrendous, though. Oh, it's itch, but why is it... It's so hard to read. Wish this on. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Membership is not opened yet on your channel? What do you mean? Classic crappy early 2000s. Yeah, honestly. I mean, what's funny is that that's itch.io, but like I think just they should have made this text darker because it's so hard to read. But yeah, this looks like it almost looks like every one of these are like malware. All it's missing is like the the banners with like ads on the sides. But these sound effects are not bad. confusing falling down. I mean, I can't see join button or super chat. I'm not sure what that is. Is that something that maybe you need as a, or like a partner of YouTube? Did I see the promotional website for the Mario movie? No. This does not look crappy. For the fans. That's what it's called. Here, I'll give you the link. Oh, I see. So kind of like how Twitch is. Maybe, I think that might be a thing that's required once you, like, you know, like Twitch's affiliate program. It's basically the same thing, but for YouTube, and I think you need a minimum of 1,000. You know, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I think that's how it works. But don't quote me on it. Yeah, like dude, I don't get it. Like once I became an affiliate on Twitch, not that I care. Like it's not like I'm making any real money from it, but it's they give you so many more features, which is really cool. It makes it feel good, you know, that you've earned affiliate. Oh, you said you're gonna give the link. Alright. Yes, send the link. Oh, it got removed. Just send it on Discord. Did I plan for the Kickstarter? So yeah, I'm still working on the Kickstarter. We're currently working on the trailer. So yeah, I have someone working on the trailer. And someone working on the music as well. And so in the meantime, we're just working on the game some more, polishing as much as we can. The game is never... I don't know, I feel like every time I update the game, there's something better that we can do. Wrong lenses. Unknown shot. Unknown signal. So I think we should just plug these sounds in and see which one fits. Because there's just so many. Wonder if they have like a laser section. Hit. That's great. Thank you. Yeah, I'd like to get it done, hopefully, by next month. We keep postponing it. But I guess that's the game dev way, huh? Game's always getting postponed. You can always do better. Just knowing when to stop and call it finished is important. Me. Yeah. Yeah, there's never like a perfect. There's always just a, hey, it's good enough. So if you're a perfectionist, don't be a game dev, because you will have a bad time. Especially, you know, comparing yourself to other game devs who, you know, post something on, oh crap, who post something on Twitter. Just threw my tea bag on the floor. You'll have a bad time, Practical Sans. Indeed, you will have a bad time. Wanna make some more. I have this like dry milk, non-fat dry milk. And I feel like it's perfect for tea, because you can put as much as you want, and it doesn't like dilute the tea. So here's what I do. Oh no. Yeah. I put a bunch of the powder, and then I put a little bit of water. Where's my camera? I have this little funnel. Angel Doge. I was in your recommendation. Bet you weren't expecting a dry milk powder tutorial. My brain is very confused. Here, I'll show you what we actually do on this stream in just a second. Okay, these are sound effects that we're browsing, but this is a video game here. You need more. You need more subs. I think we have the right amount of subs. It's perfectly representative of the quality of content we have on this stream. What am I at? Like 300 or something like that? So yeah, this is our game. Well, this is some of the game. And right now we are currently working on a laser beam. You know you guys ever seen Austin Powers. Laser beam. The shooting laser beams.
When you were frozen, they were put on the endangered species list. We tried to get some, but it would have taken months to clear up the red tape.
You know, I have one simple request, and that is to have sharks with frickin' laser beams attached to their heads. Now, evidently, my cycloptic colleague informs me that that can't be done. Can you remind me what I pay you people for? Honestly, throw me a bone here. What do we have?
Sea bass.
Right.
They are
Wait, this is not it.
sea bass.
Really? Are they ill-tempered?
Absolutely.
Well, that's a start. Hey, Pop. Hey, Scotty.
Is this Star Wars?
Are
No.
those sharks with laser beams attached to their heads? Cool. You mean I actually have frickin' sharks with frickin' laser beams attached to their frickin' heads? You're the best evil son an evil dad could ever ask for. I love you, Dad. I love you, son.
What? The quality's so
Touch a
bad.
moment. Scotty, come here. Papa squat right next to Daddy. Enemy, move down the bench.
There's a power struggle.
Scotty's on fire. All right, it's getting crowded in here. Everyone out. Everyone out. Come on. Not you, Scotty. Not you, number two. Not you, Crap. Not you, gold member. Not you guys back there. Not you, henchman holding wrench. Not you, henchman arbitrarily turning knobs, making it seem like you're doing something.
Aw.
Oh, this is uncomfortable.
The tiny one can't take a hint. He doesn't understand. He is small.
Hello, Foxy. Austin.
Why do I have so many tabs open? We were browsing a bunch of sounds and stuff. No, this is nothing, man. But yeah, that was the epitome of comedy. Austin Powers. Okay. I guess we'll just add these sounds for now. To our sounds folder. Music. Let's do 16-bit. My ADHD does not like you. Damn. My normal meat probably doesn't like how many tabs I have open either, but we make it work. Oh. These are a lot of sounds. We need like a warning sound cue. lot of sounds on my computer, yeah. Sounds are actually what take most of the, I think it takes a lot of space on our game currently. And we actually don't even use most of them. This is not bad. Unknown power. We'll start out with unknown power and then see where it goes. Okay, let's wait for this. Hurry up. Come on. Okay. Let's bring our player to the laser room. Freaking lasers on their heads. Let's start ourselves up here. Audio stream. You know, we almost never use Audio Stream Player 2D. It would be nice to use it from time to time, but we just stick to regular Audio Stream players. The difference is that like you could basically hear it on the left or right side of your screen. Gotta go. I'll be back on later. All right, sounds good. Peace. What was that sound called? We just had it clicked. Oh my god. Maybe it's on this one? No. 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 Let's just try electric attack for now. We'll say charge up. We'll call this one charge up. We're gonna have a few. Charge up, sound cue, and attack. Okay, charge up. Oh my god, I already forgot what the name was. Electric attack. Is there an opposite version of Audio Stream Player where you can choose a point where it cannot be heard? Where it cannot be heard. What do you mean by that? Like the distance at which you can't hear it anymore? Charge up. Play this. What the hell? Is that what it sounded like when we were... Oh, it just sounds louder. Okay. Yes, but at one point, like where the note is, and you could set up a distance exactly. Audio 2D, but reversed. I'm still having trouble I also don't know too much about Audio Stream Players. Like, I've just never dealt with them. I mean, Audio Stream Player 2Ds. Let me see. max distance, so there's a max distance. I assume at the max distance you wouldn't hear it. And you want it so that, like, maybe at 1,000 or something, like if the max distance is 2,000 and at 1,000 you don't hear it, I wonder, while the sound is playing, you would probably want some sort of script that's checking for the distance or the position of an object. So, what you're saying is, while you're in the area, while you're inside an area, you don't hear the sound, and then while you're outside the area, you do hear the sound. That's what you want. So if you want that, yeah, you would just need, like, an area 2D. Or like, yeah, an area 2D. Here, let me see. Let me paint it. So like, you have an area 2D, you have a sound 2D node. Sound 2D. And I mean, I guess there's different ways to go about it, but like if you hear, you know, you hear everything, you hear the sound everywhere. Up until the max distance in the sound 2D, and then in here, once you go inside the area 2D, if you just want to mute it, like the second you go inside, you just send a signal to the sound 2D to like lower the volume or stop or whatever you want it to do, and then you just connect these two. You connect the area 2D to the sound 2D. I mean, that's how I would probably do it. And then you could, I don't know, like let's say you have a node in the center. The closer you get to the center, the quieter it gets. You would just have you would have a function here that's constantly checking the distance between like the player, I don't know, like the player and this point, and then this point right here is sending a signal to this. To lower the volume, if that makes sense. I should frame this. Oh, okay. So in our laser beam here, in our animation player, I guess at the start here we'll say charge up is true. Is it true? So we said it's a true. Wait, let me see. All right, we'll mess with it. I'll be right back though. Okay. Okay. Keep saying okay, and we're not doing anything. So, yeah, we get the sound to play, but it's kind of crappy, right? See if we can find a better one. This might be a good sound cue. Bot changing direction. So let's put this under effects. If my toothbrush would fall into the sink, would I still use it? Why wouldn't I? Or do you mean toilet? Because I think those are two different answers. Isn't that crazy? I mean, just let that sink in. I mean, you spit in it and stuff. I mean, would I still, like, I would still wash it, I guess. I mean, not I guess, I probably would wash it. There was this nasty thing that happened with me and my stepdad one time. So like my mom and I, or like my mom usually, like, you know, she buys like the toothbrushes or whatever, and like she gives us, you know, every time we need a new toothbrush, she's the toothbrush person. And there was this one time where, you know, we got new toothbrushes, and it was like, I don't know, whatever, like 3 or 4 months into getting our new toothbrushes. And I remember looking, like, we all have our toothbrushes in the bathroom on, like, you know, in one of those cups. And I remember looking at my toothbrush and like seeing how, like, you know, if you brush your teeth for a long time, or like over a long period of time, it gets ruined. Like the bristles start wearing out. And I looked at mine, I was like, wow, mine is like so abused. And then I looked at like my stepdad's toothbrush, and I saw that like he never, like his never looked beat up, or like, you know, it looked perfectly fine, it looked pristine. And so I like it, like it struck, like, I don't know, it just hit me. I was like, like, why is his toothbrush not you know, not pristine? I mean, why is his toothbrush, I'm like ruining this story, but like, why is his toothbrush pristine and mine isn't? Like, I'm sure he brushes his teeth more than me, you know, I was a kid. and then it hit me that we probably were using the same toothbrush. No, it's not that he'd never brushed his teeth, it was that him and I were using the same exact toothbrush. For like 3 months. It's pretty nasty. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. But like, yeah, just thinking about it, like, yeah. It doesn't bother me anymore, but, you know, back then I was like, oh my god. And this ending is horrible, yep. It most definitely is horrible. You know what's sad is that I was the one who figured it out. Like, why is a kid figuring this out? Yeah, it was a bad ending. How old were you when this happened? I'd say I was like 13. Yeah. So I shared a toothbrush with a grown man for like 3 or 6 months. 3 to 6 months. Weird that it's playing the sound here. I guess, let's just make sure that this is set to off. And then I think at this point we'll play the sound cue. And then need something for this. I don't know what we're gonna use. Feels like it's still 2015. Yeah, I still feel like a kid sometimes too. Like, I graduated high school in 2016, and it feels like that's been like, you know, that was only like a few years ago. But that was 7 years ago. That happens again with the toothbrush and you're an adult. One of y'all got some evil curse or something. I'm still a kid. Well, embrace your youth while you've still got it. I'm talking as if I'm an adult, or as if I'm old. Yeah, I think I'm still young, or most people would say I'm still young. Ooh, this could work. Maybe we'll make it deeper. Alright. Catch me if you can. Where was that? Sound cue didn't add. Okay. Playing. Yes. And then... Oh wait, whoops. You want to throw this here. And then here we'll throw attack. Wait, what? What the hell? This is the wrong sound. Am I dumb? Oh, wait. Okay, wait, we don't have a... Oh, it's catch me if you can. Oh, God. There we go. Okay. What do you do within the first 18 years of your life other than study? Honestly, as a kid, you're just having fun. Enjoying your time, doing things for fun. Hey, could you play some Calamity? Yeah, let's do it. Let me just test this out. Wait, what? We messed something up here. Let's see. Oh, this is supposed to be here. Oh my god, dude. Stop. Ugh. It's so loud. We'll have to mess with it. I'll figure it out. Meantime, I'm gonna lower the effects volume to like -32. Calamity. Is Calamity on Is it? You said Calamity Terraria, right? No, that was it? Oh, okay. Cloning scanning unit. That doesn't sound too bad either. Oh my god. I washed my mouse pad today. Only thing is that the left corner got bent a little bit, and now every time I like move my arm over it, I like keep folding it. So I'm gonna flip it over. You do all the art? No, I don't do all the art. Usually I like pay people commissions or like buy stuff online. Or lately it's been commissions. It used to be like I just found stuff online or people helped me with stuff. But I do edit the images, just not perfectly, I'd say. Yeah, I mean, the way like it, if you're truly, passionate about making art, then yeah, go for it. I don't think I'm passionate about, I wish I was good at making art, but I don't know. I know I definitely enjoy like programming way more. So I'd rather just be a good programmer and team up with a good artist. For $60 a minute. Yeah. That's in my budget, man. It's actually pretty cheap. What was the sound? Cloning. Cloning. Oof. As long as the sound reaches the end... I think it does. I think the sound cue needs to be like a tick rather than this. I don't know. Let's see. Like a ding, like kind of like if you played Spider-Man or like Batman or something, when you have to like dodge. They have like this blue circle that pops up. Something like that. It has to be like a very subtle sound, I think. Let's increase the volume a bit. Let me see if we can find something here. Like even this. Command not available. Oh no. Sound cue. So let's edit this room so that we start this sound immediately. The new laser effect looks amazing. Thank you, man. That's ideal teaming up with an artist. I will say it's very hard to team up with people. Ideally what you want to do is just have funding for your game, because teaming up or like, figuring out partnerships is very difficult. At least from my experience. Yeah, like usually I just do commissions or try to do like I've tried very hard to find people to work with, like for the long term, but it is very difficult. People like artists usually want or like if you find someone who wants to work with you, usually the relationship is going to be that this person just wants experience, and so after like a month or two they will leave. Again, this doesn't represent everyone, this is just from my experience. Usually they leave, and then you're stuck trying to find another artist, and then like you don't know the relationship between you and this person, so then you might need to find like new art. Like that's what happened to me, where like I found like someone was helping me with the game a lot with the art, and then they kind of just left, and I can't like use their art anymore, you know? Because usually these relationships they tend to be like, you know, like rev share sort of deals, or like with the intention of rev share going on, but the project doesn't last long enough for that to like be fully explored. So yeah, unless you work with someone that you trust, or like, you know, you set up your relationship early on, or you know, you've worked with them in the past, stuff like that. I'd recommend just working by yourself, either working by yourself, doing commission, or like, you know, submitting for like commissions, or just buying already like pre-made assets, or making assets by yourself. Fake people, I don't know, I wouldn't consider them fake people, because it's very common. So like to call them fake would be calling everyone fake, you know? So it's hard to say that, you know, every single person I've worked with is fake. I think it's more of just like a consistent, like, you know, a consistent like human pattern almost. Or like statistically most people would do this. And this goes for like almost all fields of like most creative fields. Like if let's say you're a musician and you want to work with other musicians, like, you know, have some sort of collaboration. Usually when there's no money involved in these relationships, people tend to like, you know, they tend to flake. And yeah, that's because there's no money involved. Like you need to have some sort of driving factor. And yeah, with projects like obviously like Memory, where like I'm the only person working on the game, obviously I'm going to be consistent with it because I have a goal with the game. But to have someone join my project and be like, hey, this is my passion project, would you like to join? Most people, they tend to give up fairly soon. But I'm not trying to be like a downer about it. Like if you want to create your own team, like definitely do it. But I would say do it for a smaller project, or at least try doing it for a smaller project first. Going straight into like, you know, a high scope project, you know, a 2-year project with a complete stranger that you found on Reddit or Discord is probably a bad idea. Everyone is fake. Forever alone. I mean, there are a bunch of solo devs who are very successful with their games. So, you know, you know, if you're going to make a game by yourself, there's never been a better time, you know. I mean, there's like so many resources. There's so many free, like, you know, there's so many free resources, so many free assets and stuff like that that you can use. I mean, you know, we literally just went on Open Game Art. By the way, let me credit this guy, whoever you are. What did we download? SFX 2020. Game supply. I wonder if Game Supply is like just a company who outsource sounds. Thinking about doing all the art and prototyping the whole thing. Yeah, that's my goal with it. So yeah, like I don't have a huge budget, but yeah, I started out with no budget, and then progressively I've just started invest. Like now that I know that this game has, or like what I consider to be potential, I've been putting more and more money into it. Not crazy amounts, but yeah, like I've commissioned for the trailer, I've commissioned for like, you know, the poster. What else? I'm commissioning for the music. I've commissioned a lot for the art. It's usually like marketing that I invest more money into, but that's because I'm trying to do the Kickstarter. And then with the Kickstarter, I get more money, and then with more money, I invest more into the game. So, yeah. The more you get invested into the project, obviously, you're going to put more money into it. So yeah, it's definitely a good approach. And what's really nice is, like, let's say you do want to find, yeah, I'd say commissions are your best go-to. Like, if you actually want to find people to work on the project with you, the more you work on the game, like I've noticed when this game was in like the very early stages, there weren't too many people interested in like working on the game, but now that it's like grown, whenever I post something, like whether it's like for a commission or just like a random post online, I get so many DMs of people wanting to work on the game. So yeah, so you get like higher quality people who want to help you with the game, or like not higher quality people, higher quality like talent that goes into your game. So yeah, at first it was like people who have never done, like, you know, someone who has never done music or has never done pixel art helped me with the game. And then they left, and then someone who was better at making music or pixel art helped me with the game, and then someone who's, you know, really good or professional, you know, they're sort of above this game, but they still helped anyway. That's sort of the pattern that I've been seeing. But I've also been spending more money on the game, so like, you know, it makes sense. Like, relationships are always going to be better when you put more money into the game, or when you have more money to spend on commissions or relationships with people. Uptime. What's uptime? I need to put bots on the server. I mean, on the stream. All right. Yeah, I still don't really like the sounds. Oh crap! This is not a 12-hour challenge. Crap! I forgot to. We were doing that yesterday. That was a big mistake. Damn. I am clickbaiting everyone currently watching. Let me remove that. Yeah, I mean, I feel pretty good, but I don't think I have it in me to do a 12-hour stream today. We tried doing one yesterday. We hit 10 hours, and then at a certain point I just got so tired. There you go. I updated it. My bad. Hear me out. What if you just present the fake game and it's actually a mock-up and say it's all professional and stuff to attract actual talented people? I think people are smart nowadays. Like, people can see through your bullshit, I think. Like, there's so many like fake websites or you know, fake services or fake YouTube videos about a certain program and stuff like that, and usually people are smarter than you think. Like, if you like, you would have to spend a lot of time in fooling someone, and at that point you might as well just, if you're spending that much time in fooling someone, you might as well just make a good game. Heading out, but I'll try to tune in later. Alright, I'll see you. Thanks for stopping by, Shinraf. Appreciate it. Reminds me of that one Last of Us clone that some random company revealed, and the people say it's fake and just doesn't actually exist. The situation right now is pretty funny. Yeah, like, I don't know. We're at a point where like most people aren't, especially in like game dev, like in this industry where most people are like, you know, relatively young. Like, you can still fool maybe like the boomers or something, or like, you know, anyone who's like not progressing with the technology, but for the most part, yeah, people our age, they can't really be fooled. And especially, I mean, like right now with all like, people are even aware of like you know, deep fake and stuff. Like, it's not like it's I mean, it might be fooling some people, but for the most part, like, everyone knows. Like, there's at least going to be one comment that says like, hey, this is deep faked or something like that. So we're pretty good at like recognizing all the fake stuff online. Or like obviously like AI generated art has been kind of a problem for people, or like people claiming that it's their art and they're like, you know, doing commissions or like, yeah, some doing some shady stuff, and nobody's really falling for it, or at least I don't see anyone falling for it. No one in the game dev community is falling for it, I would say. Oh wait, let's run this. But yeah, what's this Last of Us stuff going on? You know, maybe, I wonder if we could just replace the two sound. What sound are we playing for the sound cue here? Command not available. If we just play two command not availables. They stole pretty much everything from The Last of Us, and then trailer bits are stolen from other shooter games. They also found copy screenshots from the from COD. Yeah. So. Okay, I think that looks fine, but I think we need to lower the volume here, and maybe we'll change the pitch for each of these. The day before. Yeah, I mean, that's also a big problem, like people stealing games. It's kind of like one thing I'm actually concerned with my game. Well, not like a huge concern, but like, you know, people stealing assets and stuff. But I'm like such a small game dev that like I doubt people care. Like, if you're going to steal games, you probably want to steal from the AAAs. Or maybe not, maybe not. Obviously, like, if someone stole my game and, like, published it somewhere else, it's not like I'm gonna be able to sue them the day before. Wow, they have the same text. Wait, that looked like Joel. Kind of. Yo, Yesva. How's it not going? Looks like Ellie, right? Release it on mobile and make $1 million D. And I'm not gonna credit you. What is this gameplay, man? I don't want to see you just running all. Hydrate, man. Did you actually tell me to hydrate, or to? You didn't tell me to hydrate. I need notifications, man. I need something on the stream to tell me when someone claimed it. CSLR told me to do push-ups, and I think he left before I actually did them.
November 10th, 2023.
Yes, but I don't think you spent the 100. I think you're lying to me right now. They spent 5K and then left? Yep, exactly. Oh, you did tell me to hydrate. Okay. How's what was that game that you guys were playing? Freaking We Were Here. I think the second laser is too loud, or the final attack sound is too loud. And the pitch scale here, let's do We Were Here. Oh, 0.9 maybe. 1.8. We finished it. Wow. It was that quick. And bought the other 3 sequels. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. The animation still plays. And so does our fog shader. Yo, it tracks you well now? Yeah, that's pretty good. There, wait. I think the center texture still looks a little weird. Oh wait, can't see it. think what we could do is just change the sprite of this object. We can actually add here. Let me try this. I think I'm gonna add like a fourth sprite to this. Open this up. Simple eye enemy. I'll see you, Juho. Thanks for stopping by, man. We could throw another 30. I wonder why. What's 32? Let's see. 32 times 4 is 128. Yeah, let's make 128. Oops. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna save this as simple enemy and change this to 4. So like maybe when it's done shooting, it'll look like this. By default, maybe wait. I think by default it should look like this, and then it like charges up, goes like this, and then psh. We'll figure it out. Dude, these are so loud. Bush. Are you telling me to be quiet? Here we can. I wonder if I mute effects here. Our eyeball is too low. I also think maybe the Z index should change here. Let me see. No. We'll figure it out. I'll probably add a second texture on top of this. But for now, let's see. We go from this. To this. Back to closed. To this. Oh wait, I think we messed up here. Oh no, we're good. And I think our default animation should go back to the eyes closed, probably. Let me see here. Yeah, let's change this to 0. Dude, I love this. It's so addicting too. Like, it still needs to be updated though. I think it looks really good though. Oh. Yeah, like the eye is still kind of weird. And we need like a animation for the center there. You know, honestly, maybe the animation that's currently in the game, or I'm sorry, the there is like a animation for the eye here that we could use. It probably looks pretty good, or like good enough for the game. So I'll try it out. I'll be right back though. we're back. So wait, what does this look like currently? Well, one, I think our laser needs to be slightly closer to the, or actually, wait, no, we could just move the eyeball. Oh, but it also depends on, I think it depends on which direction it's shooting at. That's pretty good though. Maybe, wait, 1 pixel higher? I kinda doubt it. Oh wait, no. Sorry, 2 pixels lower. You can just make the circle bigger. Ooh. Oh my god. Am I just bad? Here, wait, let's actually bring this closer. Okay, yeah. The laser itself, I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. Because it doesn't... I mean, what we could do is remove the pupil from the eyeball and put it on the laser texture. And that would be pretty cool. It looks really good on the right side, and then the second we go to the left side, it's like, how do we figure this out? It looks like it's on the origin. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like it's always on the origin. Let me see. Okay, so it is on the origin, but I believe it's always going to center itself right here. So what we have to do is actually push like the image back a little bit. Let me see. Wait. It also sucks that we're using an odd number of pixels, which is messing us up. I might want to... We might want to stretch these images a bit. Yeah, I think that's slightly better, but the reason why there's some inconsistency there is because this should be, wait, 1, 2, okay, yeah. I'll just do this. And there we go. Oh, it's also not centered here. I also think this looks kind of weird, but I'm not sure what to do with this one just yet. And I think we're going to make this eye red. Okay. Alright, and we need to add those, damn, I wish I didn't remove them. Crap. Okay, what is this? Laser A2. Alright, let's do this. Where are my lasers? Oh, I think we just never saved them. They're still in the zip file. I assume they're different, right? Hopefully. Otherwise, it's gonna be a waste of time. They look the same to me. Oh no, they're not the same. Okay, cool. What the hell? This is laser A1. Okay, these are switched. Three. One, two, three, four. Wait, what? This is 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I really hope this works. What is it? 7. And finally, 8. Which is... Alright, before we actually start working on this, I'm gonna test it out. To see if it actually works. What the hell? That's not what I wanted. Let's make sure texture mode is on tiled. Oh, there we go. I hope it's... Wait, let me see something. Okay, so it does look pretty weird. On tiled. For like specific animations. Let me see what happens if I switch this to stretch. Oh yeah, if I switch it to stretch, then it like... I guess it bases it on the center textures, and that's not good. But I think what we could do is maybe just add an animation player specifically only for this part, and I think that'll look good. So we'll keep it as stretch. Let's get rid of I'll get rid of all of these. I hope rotating it will look fine though. There's only one way to find out. I'm gonna export this first, and then we have to re-export them as I'm just trying to think if there's a better way to go about this. Here, wait. Dude, I don't get it. My camera quality like decreases sometimes. There we go. You know what? I think we're gonna call it here. I do have to use the bathroom, and I don't want to make you guys wait. So, that's the lowest rated polymers they've rated me in the past. Alright, I'll see you guys. Till next time. Goodbye.
Yo, thank you for the raid. I'm a little bit dead right now. We just submitted a game for a game jam that ended literally like 4 minutes ago. This is a smart game to do. Did anyone else make a horror game? Wait, there's only 137 entries? That's really small, actually. Dude, we had a shot at I hate my life.